What's up, fam? Today we're going to be changing axles on the Del Sol.
You should still recording?
Yeah. We already went and changed one. We're going to be doing one more. I helped my friend do one because he kind of had no idea what he was doing. He's been watching these YouTube videos on how to do it. I had no idea on how to do it, but you know, I helped him do one, and you know, the next one's already coming, so let's go ahead and help him do the next one. But we're just technically gonna be watching him, and here he is right now. Yes? No? Was it good? Yeah? Did it pop? Oh. Gotta turn to your right, didn't you? Yeah. Look how loose they are. Look how loose they are. What? Damn.
It's not that loose.
Horrible.
Son of a bitch, that shit's hot.
I told you.
That bitch is hot. Oh, I'm not even gonna be able to adjust the wood. Fuck it. If the car falls, it's your fault, alright?
Just die already.
Fuck it.
Yeah, this one's on there. Oi. Alright, no problem. Like when Riley Raid's looking back. It's tight. No, it's Raid.
Oh, quit being
You're fucking.
Good.
Just hop up in the next one.
Dale.
I'm gonna go take a nap. I'm gonna go take a piss.
Yeah.
First, I gotta wash my fucking hands.
This thing won't get fucked up, right? As long as if I keep hitting it. Finally, piece of shit. It's almost there.
You think Simba hates me?
Yeah.
Hey. Low-key, that shit, when we hit it on the other side, that shit just popped off.
I know, this one is going slow, like it's already.
Oh, there you go.
There it is. Okay.
Pull the brake, pull the whole thing, the whole assembly. No, this. There we go. Watch.
Bitch is hot. Oh, there it is. You got it.
Yeah, but you don't got that pigeon place.
What the hell are you talking about?
When I send him the darts game, all he gets is a dart fucking picture.
Oh, he said, what the fuck you said?
Alright, someone push this down real quick.
Let me see.
Oh, that's all I need to get this piece of shit out the way
Here we
too.
go. Here, lift this that way. And then.
Well, the thing is, this needs to go through there.
My foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, your axles were.
All of them.
Yeah, man. Wait, you already putting that one in?
Yeah. Okay. You ready? We put this part back on, so this part stays here.
So then that's an axle?
Yeah.
That's
Wow. You learn something new every day.
Can't fix stupid.
Fuck you.
That thing was quick. Push it. Hold up. Come on. Harder. What the fuck? Yeah.
I'm not left-handed, dick.
Don't matter. Yeah, that's good enough.
I let it dip.
Oh shit! Oh. Wait, that one's going inside the garage. That was a. Brian. Oh shit! Brian! Oh fuck! I know. Imagine Brian was cool and had coilovers and rims. Hell no, that shit has more room than I think any car. Oh no, the S2000 doesn't have that much room. I don't see no drips. There goes Brian, hoping his CV axles don't fly out. Alright, so we replaced Brian's CV axles. We did both of them. You guys saw him replace one. My head hurts. I don't know why. Probably because I haven't ate pretty good today. So he went for a spin right now. Went to go make sure that his axles, there's like a seal that's between the transmission and the actual axle itself. And we're hoping that it doesn't leak at all. So I'm pretty sure it won't leak because we banged it in pretty well. The first one that we did, it kind of like snapped into place after like 3 hits. This one, it snapped in after like 3 hits, but there was like still a little gap, and we're kind of worried about it. I'm not too worried because, you know, it's pretty easy to replace that seal. So that's why I told him, take it for a drive down the street, take some good corners, and we'll see how it is from there. So they'll be back in a bit. This guy almost freaking flew in that corner. I think he's gonna do the same thing again. No, he's test driving it, make sure it's not leaking. He better. Oh, I don't want pizza. I think they're coming back. Oh, they're back. Stop right there. Stop. Hold up. Let me check if there's any leaks. Oh. You know what? Pull up. It's kind of hard to tell from here. Pull up and then jack it up and then check it right there. Hey, burn out. Let me know how it looks. Y'all took that damn corner freaking hard.
And you said Del Sol suck, huh?
That should look like it was about to flip over.
Fuck you.
It's because you throw your weight ratio off your car.
It's on the transmission itself.
You wiped it off already, didn't you?
Yep.
You could wipe it off and drive it again.
Okay, so if it still has it by the time I come back, that means it's not in all the way, right?
Exactly. Put it again. OOS.
Waffles?
Waffles. Waffles.
You need waffles?
Oh, waffles.
You need help.
I told you it wasn't leaking. Whoo-wee! The car is done. Now we celebrate. Ooh! Oh, shit! Alright fam, so my friend Brian here already left. It's already dark outside. We ended up just changing the axle. It was actually pretty good, but it seemed like it wasn't setting very well. But he went for a drive, came back home. Let me get over here where the lights at. He went for a drive, came back. There was no leak. There was a minor leak, but that was because I just had filled it up with transmission fluid. But that's pretty much it. That's gonna be it for this video. I'll catch you guys next week. I hope you guys have a beautiful 4th of July. Go enjoy yourself. Please watch out with your fingers. I don't want none of my subscribers or any of my viewers losing a finger. Stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Let me know what you guys want me to put up for the next video. And stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.